Greetings and welcome back to the 9 Dimes Project channel. We're in part 3 of our high yield banking series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save $5,000 in 6 months without suffering. So we've covered switching banks, we covered beating inflation. If you haven't watched parts 1 and 2 of this series, a quick recap is I'm going to switch to a high yield set account where you're getting at a minimum 3.5%, but on average you're getting 4 to 5%. It depends on what account you get, what bank, and also you want to look at other features. So now let's talk about saving $5,000 in 6 months. And it's very doable. So essentially that's $833 a month, $192 per week, which is easier when you think about it that way. So again, we're going to break it down. $5,000 in 6 months, just $833 per month, just $192 per week. That's $27 per day. So a lot of people spend that in just one meal on average. When you're talking about DoorDash and things like that, Uber Eats. So it's certainly doable in that sense. So saving monthly for predictable expenses. It might be sinking your fund. Car insurance due yearly. Save $50 per month if you pay for the year. $600 be sitting somewhere when the bill comes. No stress, no credit cards, planned ahead. So how to find $192 a week? You can cook instead of eating out. You can cancel unused subscriptions. You can skip impulse purchases. You can bring coffee from home or make coffee at home. Put it in a cup. And then you can automate, whether you want to automate it by the month, $833 a month, or you want to automate it by the week, $192 a week. Boom. Alright, so $5 savings challenge. Every time you get a $5 bill, you can save it. It sounds small, but it adds up fast. So you may be getting $100 to $300 a month just from that. You can make it fun, like a 52-week challenge. And week 1, save $1. Week 2, save $2, all the way up to week 52. And then that's $1,378 per year. Or you can go in reverse. Week 1, save $52. Week 2, save $51. And so on and so forth. Roundup challenge. Round purchases to the nearest $5 and save the difference. And the no spend challenges. One no spend weekend per month. That could be $200 or more saved. So that's it. That completes the Smart Banking series. Part 1 is switching banks. Part 2, beating inflation. Part 3, saving $5,000 within 6 months. So now you're going to have your money working for you. Next week, start a new series. It's the Emergency Fund Blueprint. I'm going to show you why $1,000 isn't enough and how much you really need. So you don't want to miss that. Don't forget, you got our 3-tool starter pack, links in the description, the Wealth Builder Budget, Savings Goal Calculator, and the 30-Day Money Challenge. And that is it. I'm going to see you in the next video. All right, keep investing.